Hey traders, welcome to 𝗘𝐃𝗲𝗿𝗆 Wave's weekly Forex forecast. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you our forecast for euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, along with a lot of forex pairs. In addition to that, we will cover US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. We will give you some forex trading tips which will help you with your trading. Now, due to many queries regarding our services, here we have summarized it all for you. And below is what you will get in our upgraded service. So if you are interested, check the link in the description below. Keep watching until the end, we have a bonus tip for you. On this channel, we explain you our point of view regarding the next moves in the market. Those who are new to 𝗘𝐃𝗲𝗿𝗆 Wave's channel, our weekly market forecast is published every Saturday at 4 p.m. UK time to help you be on the right side of the trade. So click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and let's dive into the charts. We hope all of you had a great trading week. It was amazing for us. We've made decent profits in pound Oz, euro pound, gold, and other pairs as well. So remember this, after big win or streak of wins, you have to take a break. One more thing guys before we start, market structure do change time to time. And this is why we are here every single week to update you on what might happen next. So be aware that this is not a signal service, trade your own plan, and always risk small. DXY, for this one, we were expecting market to give us a corrective structure, one more push down, and then another up wave. Market gave us a small corrective structure, it went back down, and then it keeps pushing down. What this means? This means market is giving us a big corrective structure that we were waiting. What next? We are expecting DXY to correct upwards next week. So do not follow us blindly and do not jump in once you see our arrows, alright? There is a lot to cover guys inside these structures. And if I need to go into details here, the forecast will take hours and this won't be fair for our paid members. So again, for this one, market looks like it's giving us a bigger corrective structure. Euro dollar for this one, market went up, it gave us a corrective structure, and it went up higher than expected. And those who were watching till the end, I said to you last week on one of the tips, do not trade the last wave of the last wave. And here in this one, this was the last wave for this structure. Anyway, what's happening here? Looks like market is giving us a bigger corrective structure again. So next for this one, we're expecting a corrective structure downwards, and then we will update you later on. And do not think that we are pretending to be right on every single wave. No one can. Your goal is to make money out of the next wave. And this is why guys, you have to learn how to do it correctly. So try your best to learn as much as you can from our forecasts, from our subscription service, and if you would like to take our course, you still have only 5 days to take part of March course. Because after 15th of April, you cannot get our course for that discounted price. Anyway, this is not our topic. For euro dollar, we are expecting market to correct downwards next week. After this corrective structure, we will update you. Pound dollar for this one, we hope all of you remember this forecast. We said here correction up and then another down wave. Market gave us a corrective structure. It went back up exactly as forecasted and it gave us this big down wave. So we hope all of you who trade pound dollar remember this forecast. And if you made money, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. And also we said, if this turns out to be the corrective structure that we are waiting for, pound dollar will move up to break this top, and this top. So market went up, it went back down, and we broke this low. That doesn't mean that pound dollar will not go up again. What next? We are expecting now pound dollar to go up. But this up wave, it might only to complete a corrective structure for another down move. And this why, guys, is very important to follow us on a weekly basis. Because of this down wave, the structure here, it might be extended. So extension of impulsive waves is different than extension of corrective waves. Some of you might know about the extension of impulsive waves, right? But the extension of corrective waves, this is something that we teach and will really help you to understand the structures much better. So, for pound dollar, we are expecting next a corrective structure upwards, and then we will update you. After this up wave, we have higher probability chance that market will push down before any up move. Alright? More details will be covered on Sunday session. You know, on our upgraded service, we are sending the updates on every Wednesday. So this is what we sent for pound dollar on Wednesday as update. Stop the video, read it, see what we said, and then play the video back. Now, regarding our upgraded subscription service, you will be getting in-depth analysis of the market on Sunday as live sessions, where we go through the charts in detail, and also we will show you the trades of the week which we think are ready to go. The session will be recorded and the recording will be available for 7 days. A midweek review analysis email will be sent out on every Wednesday at 6 p.m. UK time. If you want to subscribe, all the details are on our website homepage. Aussie dollar, for this one, market is giving us a corrective structure. So after this corrective structure, we are expecting an up move. So at the moment, looks like all major pairs, they will be in a corrective mode. And they will enter a sideways move after the completion of every structure. So what we will do if we are trading Aussie dollar, we will look for our buy setups. If market will give us our buy setup, we will go for the buy. Dollar yen, for this one, market went down. After this down wave, it starts to move up again. So, all of you are still holding the buys, move your stops, and let market unfold. What we are expecting next? Corrective structure upwards, and then we have a higher probability chance that market will make another drop. Alright? This is what we can see next for dollar yen. Do not forget, guys, keep watching. I will show you more updates, more tips, and more advices that can help you with your trading. New Zealand dollar, for this one, it's same as Aussie dollar. We are expecting a corrective structure here, another up wave. Our forecast was towards the downside, market went down, it gave us this up wave, it went back down. And now we are at the same level. So all of you get in the sell, this must have been a break-even trade for you. Looks like market is giving us a bigger corrective structure. Alright? What we can see next for New Zealand dollar, we can see another push up before any down wave. So at the moment, we will leave it. Pound yen, for this one, we hope all of you guys get in this sell and made decent profits in this down wave. For us, we made profits here. And I want all of you to pay extra attention of what we said here last week. This is where the market was last week. We set corrective structure, one more push up, and then another down wave. So, those who are new to WeTrade Waves channel, click the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and go back and watch what we said here for this one last week. Let me repeat this. We set corrective structure, one more push up, and then another down wave. This is exactly what market did. So all of you who trade pound yen, we hope you made decent profits, guys, in this down move. All of you are in the sell, you can take profits or move your stops. What next? We are expecting a corrective structure upwards for another down wave. Those who are happy with the profits, you take all the profits and let market do whatever it wants to do. This was a 300 pips move, and it will be more than enough for you to make decent profits in this down wave. More details regarding this one will be covered by T on Sunday session. Yes, oil, for this one, we were expecting market to shoot back up. Instead, it's going sideways. So, those who are in the buy, you have two choices. You can take the trade off for break even, or just stick to the plan, stick to where your stop loss is, and let market unfold. What we are expecting next for US oil? we are expecting another up wave before the next down move. Alright? Those who are not in, you can ignore this up wave because after this up move, you can start to look for your sell setups. So it's up to you what wave you are going to trade. What we can see, one more push up, another down move. Gold for this one, market is moving as expected. So we've got this up wave, we've got a corrective structure. We've got this up move, another corrective structure, and another up wave. So all of you who trade gold, we hope that you made profits in this up wave. And those who remember our forecast, give us a thumbs up. Your supportive comments and likes will push us to give you more and more every single week. So, those who were in this buy, this was a great trade. And not only this is what we set for our subscription service members on Wednesday. And we are getting a lot of positive feedbacks regarding those updates. And again, after big win or streak of wins, take a break and then you can come back after with full energy. Why this is so important? Because big win or big loss will affect your psychology if you are not disciplined. How is that? After big win, you will be overconfident and you will just only click the trade without following the rules. Alright guys, this why is very important to take breaks. Those who want to learn from us, you still have only few days to take our March course because after 15th of April, you cannot take our March course for discounted price. And this was just an opportunity for those who cannot afford our June course price. 𝗘𝘃𝗲𝗿𝘆 for this one, market went down, it gave us this corrective structure, it went back up, and now we are going for this down wave again. So also for this one, we are in a bigger corrective structure. All of you get in this buy, this must have been a break-even trade for you. So even if you are wrong in your analysis, you should try to get out for break-even. And even if not, a small loss should not bother you. Why? Because losses is a part of this business. All what you have to do is to manage these losses wisely. How can you do that? Do not over-risk, do not over-trade, and never ever add to a losing position. So, next for $CAD, we can see corrective structure, one more push down before the next up wave. So all in all, this might turn out to be a big corrective structure before the next move. Euro-Yen for this one, market gave us a corrective structure, it went back up, right? You remember this. After this up wave, we start to get a down move. So all of this, guys, is a part of the structure. After this down wave, we've got this up move. So correction, another up move again. For Euro-Yen, we are expecting a corrective structure downwards and then another up move. Are we going to trade this up wave? No. Alright? Even though we can see market will give us a corrective structure for another up wave, we will not trade this up move. Those who want to go for it, you do that. We are waiting market to give us a complete structure. This is not a complete structure at the moment. Euro-Pound for this one, before I go for this wave, I want all of you to stop this video, go back to the last week's video, and watch what we said here. So, before I go to this wave, let me explain this for you step by step. If you think that after every low market has to go up, you are wrong. And this is an example in front of you. Market went up, it gave us a corrective structure. This is the power of wave analysis and market structure. Like I said, go back and watch our previous video. Not only this was covered in detail on Sunday session by T. And also, this one of the trades of the week. So if you traded this one correctly, this will cover 1 or 2 years of the subscription fees. We were in this trade and we made decent profits in this up wave. All of you who made money in this up wave, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We would love to hear your success stories and your feedbacks. So, what next? All of you are in the buy, take profits. But if you want, take 80% off and leave the rest at break even. Why? Because if market will push up, it has to give us a corrective structure downwards. At the moment, this was the trade and this was the move. More details regarding this one will be covered on Sunday session. And this was the midweek updates for the subscription service members. On Wednesday, which was on the 7th of April, we said we are still bullish for Euro Pound and market continue this up wave. So, those details, guys, makes a lot of sense. Pound Oz for this one, another amazing trade. From here we set up, market went up. This was a trade call on one of our Sunday sessions. After this up wave, we sat down. Last week, we set corrective structure upwards before the next down move. This is exactly what market did. Again, those who made profits in this down wave, this was amazing trade. You take break, you enjoy the profits, and you come back later on. And like I said, in one single trade, you must cover 1 or 2 years of subscription fees. One more thing. We mentioned for our members what day Pound Oz will fall. And this was crazy. Anyway, those who remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you made profits in this down wave, let us know in the comment section. What next for Pound Oz? We are expecting a corrective structure upwards. After this up wave, we will update you. Silver for this one, market went up. And from here we said we have a possibility for this one that will crawl down to break this low one more time. This was one of the possibilities. And we said if you are in the buy, you move your stops and let market unfold. So market gave us a corrective structure, it went back up, and we are now back to the same level. So what next? A corrective structure downwards. So again, if you are in the buy and still holding, you move your stops and let market unfold. If it needs to drop, let it takes you out and then you go for the next trade. For us, silver is investment and we are always looking to buy it cheaper. Bitcoin for this one, market is giving us a corrective structure. And like I always say, those arrows, guys, are not entries and not targets. Alright? What we are sharing here is only the direction. So next for Bitcoin, we can see it going up again. After every complete corrective structure, Bitcoin will have a higher probability chance of moving up. Let me repeat this. Wave analysis works on every single tradable asset on every single time frame. Now is the time for the Forex trading tip. Do not follow anyone blindly, even us. No one can or will be right 100% in this business. Do your research, use our forecast as an additional tool to your system, calculate your risk, and then trade. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.